In this QMobile video, we're going to look at the general floor plan provided in the single survey site notes. At the top of the site notes page is a floor plan icon. This floor plan is an area where basic drawings can be quickly created. There are two toggle options at the top of the page. One is to turn grid lines on and off. The other is to be able to draw lines that can automatically snap to straight. The first icon on the top left is the pen tool. You can adjust the colour and thickness of the pen before drawing freehand lines. This is the primary tool for creating plans or drawing pictures that will aid the inspection. There is no auto measurement feature for walls or areas, but the pen tool allows measurements to be recorded quickly, and with the calculator at the bottom of the screen, the area can be easily totaled. The second and third icons are a pencil tool and highlighter tool respectively. These work in the same way as the pen tool as an alternative for drawing on the floor plan. The fourth icon is the eraser, where individual lines can be removed, or holding down on the button will give the option to erase or link and effectively start again. The next two icons are to undo or redo actions that have already been added to the floor plan. The last icon is to load a ruler or protractor tool to help with drawing straight lines at certain angles or creating circles. The protractor can be resized by pinching and expanding. When the tool is finished with, tapping the icon again will remove it. New pages can be added by tapping the plus icon to the right of the floor plan tab. The option is there to name the tab, but if that's not relevant, then QMobile will simply increment a new number to the standard floor plan tab. On the far right of the floor plan header, there is the option to rename the tab with the edit field icon, as well as delete the tab completely by tapping the bin icon. There is a Hamburger button on the right hand side of the floor plan. Pressing this gives two options. The first is to add an image underneath the grid. This means the floor plan or picture can be imported and annotated over using this tool. If you want to then replace the image, selecting another image and then pressing open will make that change. With an imported image, annotation can be performed above the image using all the tools outlined earlier. The X button underneath that import function will remove the image on the tab. Once finished, pressing the Hamburger button again will allow more editing to continue.